Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my sixth lesson of D2, chapter number 7, exercise 7a, that is about relations and functions. This lesson is equally important for D2 and D3 students and students who are preparing the CI examination. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say that for better understanding of this lesson, you should have the command on the terms and basic concepts of functions and relations, domain and range, and image and pre-image. If you find any difficulty in understanding the concepts of like domain, range, function, input and output, you can watch my previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Because for the better understanding of lessons of mathematics, it's important to have the good grasp on the previous lesson and integration of the lesson with the new lesson. Let's move to question number 8, advanced level. Question says, given that the function f of x equals to 3 by 4x plus 1 by 2 and g of x equals to 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3x, then first we have to evaluate the value of function f of x at 2 and minus 1 by 2 and the value of function g at 3 and minus 6, and then we have to solve these parts and decide that whether f of 2 plus f of 3 equals or not f of 2 plus 3, and g of 4 minus g of 2 is equal to g 4 minus 2 or not. Let's move to the solution of this question and take the function one by one. Question is having two functions, so we have to be very careful that for evaluation of f of 2 and minus 1 by 2, we have to take the function of f, and function of f is f of x equals to 3 by 4x, 3 by 4x plus 1 by 2. Now, first of all, I have to evaluate that at 2. So, what I will be doing that instead of the variable, I will replace x by 2 and my function will take the form 3 by 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Now we can see that this 2 and 4 can easily be simplified. 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Always simplify your question before moving to the next part. It will take the form 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Both the fractions have the same denominator 2, so add them up. 2, 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 by 2 and which is equal to 2. So the value of f of 2 is equal to 2, and it's better to block this value, and because we have to use this value in the next part. The next thing that we have to evaluate is f of minus 1 by 2. So again I have to take the function of f, that is 3 by 4x plus 1 by 2. Now instead of the variable, replace x by minus 1 by 2 and it will take the form 3 by 4 and x has a value minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now it will take the form 3 multiplied by 1 with minus sign is minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2. Take the LCM 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 ones are and 2 fours are, 2 ones are 2s are, LCM will be 8, and then I have to check the deficiency of each fraction one by one. Denominator is 8 and LCM is 8, so numerator will be coming as it is, plus 2 4 times, 2 fours are 8 and it will take the form 4, 2 fours are 8 and 4 ones are, and f of minus 1 by 2 will give me 1 by 8. F of minus 1 by 2 will give me the answer, f of minus 1 by 2 will give me answer 1 by 8. Let's move to g of 3. So as we have to evaluate the function of g at 3, so we have to take the function of g now in this part, that is g of x equals to 1 whole 1 by 4 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3x. Now replace x by 3 in the given function g of 3 equals to, for the solution purpose, turn this mixed number into improper fraction, and it will take the form 4 ones are 4 and 1 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3, replace x by 3. This 3 ones are and 3 ones are, this 3 will be cancelled and I will left with 5 by 4 minus 2. 5 by 4 minus 2. Now what we have to do, we have to solve this fraction as the denominator of 2 is 1. So the LCM will be 4, and then denominator is 4, LCM is 4, so numerator will be coming as it is, and 1, and here the LCM is 4, so I have to multiply the deficiency with the numerator and it will take the form minus 8, and the question will become, and the value of this fraction will be minus 3 by 4 g of 3, and block this answer. This is answer of g of 3, and now the next part that we need to evaluate before going to the solution of next part, that is g of minus 6 and g of minus 6. Again I have to write the function of g of x, that is 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3x, and g of minus 6 will be equal to, again turn it into improper fraction, 5 by 4, and instead of the variable replace minus 6, and now don't forget the role of integers, that minus multiplied by minus will become positive, and 3 ones are and 3 twos are 6, and now I will have 5 by 4 g of minus 6 equals to 5 by 4 minus multiplied by minus is positive 4. Now take the LCM in order to simplify this value. 4 will be the denominator, and denominator of this question fraction is 4 and LCM is 4, so numerator will be coming as it is, and plus I have the denominator 1 but LCM is 4, it will become 16. So g of minus 6 will take the form 16 and 4 20 plus 1 21 by 4, or I can turn it into the mixed number 21 by 4, 4 5s are 20 minus 5 whole 1 by 4, and block the answer. Okay, let's move to the next part of the question that says that we have to decide whether f of 2 plus f of 3 equals to f of 2 plus 3 or not. Now what I have to do is, I can see that f of 2 I have evaluated in the previous part, so I'll be using the value as it is. First again I have to evaluate the answer of f of 3. F of 3 I have to evaluate it, and then for the right hand side I have to first find the sum of these two numbers, that is f of 2 plus 3 5 and f of 5. So first of all, before the decision I have to find the values of these two expressions, that I have to evaluate the function of f at 3 and 5. Now f of x equals to 3 by 4x plus half, and f of 3 will give me 3 by 4, and 3 instead of the variable I have to replace 3 plus 1 by 2, and it will become 3 3s are 9 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Take the LCM and 4, and this will become 4 9 plus 2 11 by 4, and block this answer, and then f of 5. Now f of 5 will be equal to will be equal to 3 by 4 into, instead of the variable replace 5 plus 1 by 2, this will become 15 by 4 plus 1 by 2, and it will take the form 4 will be the LCM, 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17 by 4. Now again block the answer, and now finally what I have to do, first I have the answer of right hand side, which is my right hand side, and now I have to evaluate f of 2 plus f of 3, f of 2 plus f of 3. Answer of f of 2 I'll be bringing from the previous calculation, that is 2, plus f of 3 has the answer 11 by 4. Take the LCM and it will become 8 plus 11, which is equal to 19 by 4. Now we can see the answer of f of 5 is 17 by 4, but answer of f of 2 plus f of 3 is 19 by 4. So what we can say, that this is 1 and this is 2. From 1 and 2 we can see that f of 2 plus f of 3 is not equal to f of 2 plus 3. f of 2 plus 3. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question, that says that we have to find the value of g of 4 minus g of 2, and we have to decide whether that is equal to g of 4 minus 2 or not. For this question, first of all, I have to evaluate g of 4 and g of 2, and then if we look at the right hand side, that is g of 4 minus 2, g of 4 minus 2, that will be giving me g of 2. Now what I have to do, first of all, I have to evaluate the function of g of x. G of x is 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3x. Evaluate the function at g of 4, it will become 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3 into 4, and the equation will take the form 5 by 4 minus 8 by 3. Take the LCM, 12 will be the LCM. 4 how many times is 12? 4 3s are 12, that 3 will be multiplied with the numerator. 15 minus 3 4s are 12, and that 4 will be multiplied with 8, and that will become 32. Take away 15 from 32. 15 minus 32 will give me minus 17 by 12. And block this answer, keep it as it is, because it will be involved in the further calculations. Now g of 2, what we have to do is that instead of the variable here, I have to replace x by 2, 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3 into 2, and it will take the form 5 by 4 minus 4 by 3, and it will take the form 12 will be the LCM. 4 how many times is 12? 4 3s are 12, and that 3 will be multiplied with the numerator. 15 minus 16. 3 4s are 12, and that 4 will be multiplied over here, and this will take the form minus 1 by 12. And block the answer. And this is actually the answer of g of 2, which is the answer of right hand side as well. answer of right hand side as well, minus 1 by 12. Now what we have to do finally, now what we have to do, GF4 minus GF2, we have to see that what answer comes for this side. GF4 has the answer GF4 minus 17 by 12, minus 17 by 12, 12 minus 1 by 12, minus 1 by 12, and it will become minus 17 by 12 plus 1 by 12, and both have the denominator 12, minus 17 plus 1, which is equal to minus 16 by 12, and 16 and 12 comes in the same table. 4 4s are and 4 3s are minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. And if we look at the answer of GF2, that is GF2 is minus 1 by 12, and GF4 minus GF2 has the answer minus 4 by 3 only. So we can decide and say that so GF4 minus GF2 is not equal to GF4 minus 2. GF4 minus 2. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.